The simplest ROI frame for RenderDraw workflows is handoff compression. Not replace the team. Compress the handoffs. RFP packet to requirements. Requirements to product fit. Product fit to exceptions. Exceptions to review. Review to quote-ready output. Quote-ready output to Salesforce or CPQ. In many organizations, each transition is a meeting, a spreadsheet, a message thread, or a manual copy-paste step. That is where time leaks out of the process. The ROI is less drift between steps, less rework, faster quote preparation, and better control over what moves downstream.